Hi guys, it's me, Amy. I'm singing a song by Aviation called You Are My Everything, and I'm mainly singing it because this song goes out to someone who I fell in love with this year. He's everything to me, and I will never stop. I might stop loving him, but I can't guarantee it. But this song goes out to him. I love you, baby. Here we go. This goes out to someone else as the most important person in my life. I didn't realize at the time. I can't forgive myself for the way I treated you, so I don't really expect you to either. It's just, I don't even know. Just listen. You're the one that I want, the one that I need, the one that I gotta have just to succeed. When I first saw you, I knew it was real. I'm sorry about the pain I made you feel. It wasn't me, let me show you the way. I looked for the sun, but it's raining today. I remember when I first looked into your eyes, it was like God was there, heaven in the skies. I wore a disguise because I didn't want to get hurt, but I didn't know I made everything worse. You told me you were crazy in love, but you didn't care when push came to shove. If you loved me as much as you said you did, then you wouldn't have hurt me like I ain't shit. Now you pushed me away like you never even knew me. I loved you with my heart really and truly. I guess you forgot about the times that we shared when I would run my fingers through your hair. Late nights just holding you in my arms. I don't know how you could do so wrong. I really want to show you. I really need to hold you. I really want to know you like no one else could know you. You're number one, always in my heart. Now I can't believe that our love's torn apart. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I know you're gonna sit and play with the new girl and sit and laugh as you're holding her hand. Thought that just shatters my heart. It breaks my soul and it tears me apart. At times we was off, I was scared to show you. Now I wanna hold you until I can't hold you. Without you, everything seems strange. Your name is forever planned in my brain. Damn it, I'm insane. Take away the pain, take away the hurt, baby. We can make it work. What about when you looked into my eyes, told me you loved me as you would hug me? I guess everything you said was a lie. I think about it and it brings tears to my eyes. Now I'm not even a thought in your mind. I can see clearly my love is not blind. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything and I really miss you. I just wish everything could have turned out differently. I had a special feeling about you. Thought maybe you did too, you would understand, but no matter what, you'll always be in my heart. You'll always be my babe. Our first date, it seemed so magical. I remember all the times that I had with you. I remember when you first came to my house, you looked like an angel wearing that blouse. We hit it off, I knew it was real, but now I can't take all the pain that I feel. Reach in your heart, I know I'm still there. I don't want to hear that you no longer care. Remember the times, remember when we kissed? I didn't think you would ever do me like this. I didn't think you'd want to see me depressed. I thought you'd be there for me, this I confess. You said you were my best friend, was that a lie? Now I'm nothing to you, you're with another hoe. I tried, and I'm trying. Now on the inside it feels like I'm dying. I need you, and I miss you, and I want you, and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything, and I really miss you. I need you, and I miss you, and I want you, and I love you, cause I want to hold you, I want to kiss you. You are my everything, and I really miss you. And I do miss you. I just thought we were meant to be. I guess now we'll never know. The only thing I want is for you to be happy. whether it be with me or without me. I just want you to be happy. I'll always love you. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.